Well, hello and welcome again to Clean Nuts. A bit of an update on the Marlin. As you remember, it sat in the corner of the workshop for about 5 years. So washed it off, had a look at it, and we fitted some parts to it. So let's just show you what the parts were fitted. Obviously 4 new plugs. Water pump. Looked terrific. Thermostat housing and thermostat. Look at it. Took the fuel pump off and put the fuel pump here on a washer bag with water pump. So that's all the parts that went on. I've just put a gallon of fuel in. We're going to see whether it runs. So get rid of all these bits. And see if the old lady... Oh, we'll put a new battery on as well. See if the old lady starts. One thing you need to be aware of, we had a problem with this, the needle valve in this float chamber. It was flooding out there, and down there is the exhaust manifold, you can see it here. So we were flooding neat fuel over the exhaust. So first thing I'm going to check is when we put the ignition on and the pump fires up, that we're not getting a leak out of there. So master battery switch here. If I remember rightly, this engine really loves choke. So let's give it some choke. So I put the ignition on and run the pump, see if it's leaking. It floods out here. Looks like we're good, let's turn it over. Bit more choke. She runs. I'm not tempted to put the choke in, but it doesn't like it. Let's let it warm up for a bit. So there you go, she runs. What a smart little car. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time on Clean Nuts. Oh, just so you know, I said goodbye to the Tiger. I put a lot of time and effort into it, but the Bugatti replicas really grasped my imagination, so it was time to say goodbye to that without IVAing it.